Greeting of the day. I am Rajkumar Parashari and I love doing physics. Today I am here with the question, what is power of accommodation of a normal eye? Not only I will define it, but also show that power of accommodation of a normal eye is 4 diopter. The power of accommodation of a normal eye is its ability to form images at the retina irrespective the position of the object. And it is because of the fact that this eye lens is able to change its focal length. Why the eye lens is able to change its focal length is because of the ciliary muscles holding the eye lens. When ciliary muscles they are in the relaxed state, then the lens is in the stretched position. It has the least curvature. Side walls, they have the least curvature and the focal length is maximum. And when these ciliary muscles, they constricts. Now as they constricts, what happens? The curvature of these side walls, the curvature of the side walls holding the lens becomes more and the focal length becomes less. And depending upon the position of the object, these ciliary muscles constrict accordingly, focal length of the eye lens changes accordingly, and the eye lens is able to focus the image of the object at the retina. In fact, a normal eye can form the image of an object at the retina which lies at infinity. Also, when the object comes closer and stays and placed at the near point, still you see the eye lens is able to form the image of this object at the retina. And this is all has to deal with the power of accommodation. The focal length of the eye lens is changing. Now as the focal length of eye lens is changing, and hence the power of accommodation of the eye lens system also changes. And this is what the objective is, to find the power of accommodation of eye lens system. Now see, when the object is at infinity, in this case u is equals to minus infinity, v is equals to plus 2.5 centimeter. See, this is, you see, cornea provides maximum refraction, but the fine tuning is done by the eye lens system. So this whole is the eye lens system. So the distance, roughly I'm choosing this to be 2.5 centimeter itself. So the distance of the image, this is where the image is formed at the retina. Distance of the image from the eye lens system is about 2.5 centimeter. Now let's calculate its focal length. So the focal length in this case can be calculated from the formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and v happens to be plus 2.5 centimeter and u is equals to minus infinity, and this implies that f is equals to plus 2.5 centimeter, and in turn the power of eye lens system. The power of eye lens system is 100 by f, provided f is written in centimeter, and the unit got to be the diopter. Is it right? And this is equals to 100 divided by plus 2.5 diopter. So the power that is equals to plus 40 diopter. So when the object lies at infinity, then this eye lens is able to form the image at the retina, and in this case the power of the whole eye lens system is 40 diopter. Is it right? Now let's take up the another case. The object has been brought to the near point. When the object has been brought to the near point, in that case u becomes, this u becomes minus 25 centimeter. Near point for a normal eye always happens to be at 25 centimeter. So the value of u is equals to minus 25 centimeter, v is equals to plus 2.5 centimeter, and I see this eye lens, the focal length of eye lens will change. The ciliary muscles, they will constrict, and as a constant. So what will happen? The focal length will reduce and power will increase, and it will ensure that the image of this object is again formed at the retina. Let's calculate the new value of focal length. Let's write this as 1 by f dash is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. If you want, you can write v dash u dash, I won't mind. So this is equals to, this is dash, this is equals to 1 by 2.5 centimeter. This is 1 by 25 centimeter, and if you solve it, 25 happens to be the LCM. The value is 10. This is minus 25, so minus and minus will become plus, and this is plus 1 by f. So this implies that f is equals to 25 by 11 centimeter. So this is the new value of focal length of the eye lens. Next part is the power, the new power of accommodation, new power of the eye lens system. The new power of eye lens system will be, because you see the total convergence, the total effect of refraction is not only due to the eye lens but also the cornea. Cornea does also, in fact, it plays the major role when refraction comes. So this got to be again 100 divided by f dash, and f dash happens to be 25 by 11 with plus sign, and this is equals to plus 44 diopter. So as you can see that when the object is brought from infinity to the near points, and what is happening, the focal length of eye lens is changing, and in the process the power also changes. Power changes from 40 diopter to 44 diopter, and that is why we say that the power of accommodation of a normal eye is plus 4 diopter. Thank you so very much. Subscribe my channel to get notification in time whenever I upload a video. God bless you.